Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make McDonald's-style apple pie using an easy method. This recipe brings that classic crispy, sweet, and warm dessert right into your kitchen. We'll go through gathering simple ingredients, preparing a flavorful apple filling, and then assembling and baking these delightful treats. Get ready to enjoy a nostalgic favorite with minimal effort and maximum flavor, perfect for any time you crave a sweet indulgence. First, let's prepare our delicious apple filling. You'll need 2 large Granny Smith apples, peeled, cored, and diced into small pieces, about 1/4 inch cubes. In a saucepan, combine these apples with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a pinch of nutmeg. Cook this mixture over medium heat for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the apples are slightly tender but still hold their shape. This creates that signature warm, spiced apple core. Now for the fun part, assembling your pies. Take 1 sheet of store-bought puff pastry, thawed, and roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Cut the pastry into 4 equal rectangles, each measuring approximately 4 inches by 6 inches. Place about 2 generous tablespoons of your cooled apple filling onto 1/2 of each pastry rectangle, leaving a small border. Fold the other half over the filling, and crimp the edges firmly with a fork to seal them completely. Finally, it's time to bake these beauties to golden perfection. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Before baking, brush the tops of your assembled pies with a simple egg wash that's 1 egg whisked with 1 tablespoon of water. This will give them that irresistible golden brown, crispy crust. Bake for about 15 minutes or until they are puffed up and beautifully golden. Let them cool for a few minutes, then serve warm. They are absolutely delicious on their own or with a scoop of vanilla ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.